Hello, today I'm in FOTON G7. In this video I'll show you how to manage time and date settings on instrument cluster. In the beginning, take a look at the instrument cluster and navigate through it via this panel. Firstly, press OK button to go to settings. Next, scroll down using bottom arrow. Now, let me zoom in. Go to time settings and you can adjust date and time. If you can't enter it here, you can always go to screen display settings and go to time. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.